Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure your phone and laptop share the same Wi-Fi network and open the laptop's Connect or Casting app. On your phone, enable screen mirroring or wireless display in settings. This lets your device advertise itself. Once done, tap the laptop name when it appears on your phone so the negotiation begins. This step establishes the secure local link that carries audio and video to your laptop. Once the link is live, you need to optimize the stream. Pick the highest resolution and frame rate your network can handle to avoid stuttering, and choose whether audio plays through the laptop or remains on the phone. Make sure both devices aren't CPU bound by closing background apps. This reduces encoding delays and dropped frames. If latency matters, lower resolution or frame rate. If quality matters, prioritize bandwidth. Those trade-offs. To finish, stop casting from your phone or disconnect via the laptop's cast interface. This cleanly releases the session and frees resources. If the connection fails at any point, restart Wi-Fi on both devices and reattempt discovery, often quick and effective. If problems persist, switch to a wired method like USB tethering or an HDMI/USB-C adapter. Wired connections eliminate wireless packet loss and are reliable for presentations or media playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.